Hello there, this is Joseph Gray with DR Metrics. In this video, we're going to explore the ranking system and the Excel reports that you can pull out of the interface. Right now, I'm going to look at advertiser rankings in lead generation for Q3 of 2019. Direct Digital comes up on top. I'm going to expand the brand column and show you the first Excel report. Now, if I click this report, what it's going to do is it's going to pull all of this top level data at the brand and also this nested creative level detail, including these play buttons. It's going to put that all into an Excel file, which you can share with anyone, whether or not they're a subscriber to AdSphere. It really doesn't matter. The creative links are good for 30 days. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Excel button here, and it's going to open up a dialog where it pre-names the file for me. Now, if I'm running a lot of files, I may want to custom name this. So when I go to the Reports tab up here, and show you all the different files that are in there, you won't get confused what is what. So I can come in here and I can say, I'm going to call this Joe file. It's just a quick example, and click OK. And then the files run. I go over here under My Reports. Here it is right here. I can download it. Now, if I decide I want to change the name on the fly to something else, I just click in here, change the name, and click out of that section. And so just be aware that you can change the file names at your discretion. This is what that first Excel file looks like. So this was obviously an advertiser level Excel output where we can see in blue here all of the brand level summary details as we scroll across, as well as underneath we can see all of the creatives that are associated with each of the brands, their summary details with those play buttons, which are good for 30 days. If I scroll down, you'll see that's the whole report. So you can basically run this report and choose any date range you want and grab all of the information specific to an advertiser. You can also expand out a specific brand and expose its creatives, and you'll see next to the creatives column, there's another Excel button here. So if I click that Excel button, this is the file that I get. This is showing me just, again, the creative level summary details with the play buttons. And then for the next Excel, we're going to navigate back to brand rankings here. I'd click on brand up here in the upper left. And in the brand rankings, you will have on the left-hand side, a clickable brands, these clickable boxes here. You can select up to 100 at a time. I'm just going to select the first page of 20. Now, if I click the brand Excel button up here, it's going to grab all of the creative level details that are nested for every one of these brands so that I can get the creative links as well. So I'm going to click that button here, and this is what that report looks like. I'm going to scroll over so you can see all of the creative level details for every one of those creatives with the play buttons. And again, it'll show me everything for Nutrisystem that was nested, and then the second, third, fourth, and so on and so forth, all the way through. Again, up to 100 brands, I can choose to run that type of report. Now, there is also an Excel button up here on the upper right. Now, if I'm on the advertiser rankings, my output's going to be the ranking report, all this top line data that you see here. For the advertiser, since I'm on the brand ranking report, if I click this, I'm going to get the ranking report that looks like this. Again, it's all summary details. We're not showing any creative level nested details here, but it allows you to see the ranking for every brand out of the system based on your filter criteria. And then I've saved the best for last. You can choose, let's say, a specific category like beauty, hygiene, and personal care, or any combination of categories or subcategories, and pull up all of the relevant brands for whatever time frame you're interested in, for whatever brand classifications you specify. And by dropping down the Network tab and clicking on the Excel button here, this is what you'll receive. Now, this is a 4-level, 4-tab report that ranks the networks by, you can see here, total spend for that entire group of categories or subcategories that you've selected. So we can see every network essentially ranked based on its share of the dollars for that group of brands or advertisers. And also you have your day part by spend, your day part by spend, Saturday, Sunday versus Monday through Friday, and also your program by spend. I'll show you that one so you can see all the different programs. So the program highest level to the least level spend. Now, a lot of traditional direct response advertisers don't buy program level, but some of the brand direct hybrids do. So that's why we include all of that additional information for you. Now, in the next video, we're going to talk about what happens when you click on these airing or spend links. This is called the airing detail page. And on the airing detail page, there are some additional Excel reports that you can run. So stay tuned for that.